Welcome, here I've got VIVO Y72 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we have sound at the first position, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off when we move back to the camera, and when I take another picture, now we can't hear it. And of course, when we tap to the right corner settings once again, we can turn on the sound again and hear it. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.